Welcome to Certification Terminal, your ultimate destination for all certifications. As part of this series, we are going to cover a few Microsoft AI 900 certification practice questions. Let's hop in. Name two distinct contexts in which the form recognizer service can be utilized effectively. Remember, each accurate response provides a comprehensive solution, and for each correct selection, you earn 1 point. Option A. Translate a form from French to English. Option B. Extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option C. Find image of product in a catalog. Option D. Identify the retailer from a receipt. The correct answers are Option B. Extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option D. Identify the retailer from a receipt. In various industries like finance, accounting, and procurement, processing invoices is a routine task. One of the critical pieces of information on an invoice is the invoice number. The form recognizer service excels in accurately identifying and extracting specific data fields from documents, making it ideal for extracting the invoice number from invoices. By automating this process, businesses can significantly streamline their invoice processing workflows, reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and improve overall efficiency. This context demonstrates a practical application of the form recognizer service in document management and financial operations. Next question. What is the rationale behind publishing a question and answer maker model? Option A. To make the knowledge base available to a bot. Option B. To create a knowledge base. Option C. To test the bot. Option D. To import questions and answers. The correct answer is Option A. To make the knowledge base available to a bot. The primary rationale behind publishing a Q&A maker model is, indeed, to make the knowledge base available to a bot. Q&A maker models are designed to process structured question-answer pairs and generate responses to user queries. When a Q&A maker model is published, it means that the knowledge base it contains, consisting of these question-answer pairs, is made accessible to a bot. Bots or conversational AI systems often rely on external sources of information to respond to user queries effectively. By publishing a Q&A maker model, developers can integrate the knowledge base into their bots, allowing them to access and utilize the structured knowledge within the model. Publishing a Q&A maker model signifies that it is ready for deployment in real-world scenarios. By making the knowledge base available to a bot, publishing a Q&A maker model contributes to enhancing the overall user experience. Next question. What Azure AI tier should you recommend for your team's project, aimed at utilizing Azure's Face API for facial recognition in a medium-sized retail environment and processing up to 1,000 facial recognition requests daily, with a focus on optimizing both efficiency and cost-effectiveness? Option A. Premium P2. Option B. Standard S0. Option C. Free tier. Option D. Premium P1. The correct answer is Option B. Standard S0. Based on the project's requirements and the need for a balance between performance, scalability, and cost-effectiveness, Option B, Standard S0, is the most suitable recommendation for the app. The standard tier offers a balance between performance and cost. The S0 tier provides sufficient resources for your project's requirements without over-provisioning or incurring unnecessary costs. The standard tier is typically suitable for medium-sized workloads, which aligns well with your project's context of operating in a medium-sized retail environment. With a daily load of up to 2,000 facial recognition requests, The S0 tier should be capable of handling this workload efficiently. While the premium tiers, P1 and P2, might offer higher performance capabilities, they are likely to be overkill for your project's requirements. Next question. What machine learning approach is suitable for forecasting the quantity of gift cards sold in the upcoming month? Option A, classification. Option B, regression. Option C, clustering. The correct answer is option B, regression. Regression is used when the output variable is a continuous numerical value. In this case, we want to predict the quantity of gift cards sold, which is a numerical value representing a quantity. Regression models can analyze historical sales data, along with other relevant features such as time, promotions, seasonality, etc., to forecast future sales accurately. Techniques such as linear regression, decision trees, random forests, or neural networks can be used for regression-based forecasting tasks. Next question. Which service is appropriate for developing an image recognition solution with tracking capabilities for model training expenses? Option A, AutoML. Option B, Cognitive Service. Option C, Face API. Option D, Custom Vision. The correct answer is option D, Custom Vision. Custom Vision allows you to build custom image recognition models by uploading your own images and labeling them. It provides functionalities to track your training costs, including the number of images used and the cost per iteration. You can train your model to recognize specific objects relevant to your needs. Custom Vision offers detailed cost breakdowns for your training sessions. You can monitor your model's performance and make adjustments as needed. Therefore, considering the need for custom image recognition, cost tracking, and tracking capabilities, Custom Vision is the most appropriate service for your project. Next question. Which of the following statements correctly describes the scenario where the split data module is utilized in Azure Machine Learning Designer on the product detail.csv dataset, employing the price column and configured with the following attributes? Splitting mode is relative expression. Relational expression is price less than 70, leading to the dataset's division into two parts. Option A, having one of the datasets with all rows where price of a product is greater than and equal to 70. Option B, having one of the datasets with all rows where price of a product is less than 70. Option C, having one of the datasets with all rows where price of a product is greater than and equal to 30. Option D, having one of the datasets with all rows where price of a product is less than 30. The correct answer is option B, having one of the datasets with all rows where price of a product is less than 70. Next question. What Azure service is appropriate for constructing an AI solution for an automotive manufacturer that needs to inspect component quality on the assembly line, analyzing high-resolution images to identify small defects? Option A, Azure Custom Vision. Option B, Azure Bot Service. Option C, Azure Q&A Maker. Option D, Azure Cognitive Search. The correct answer is option A, Azure Custom Vision. This service is specifically designed for building custom image classification and object detection models. It allows users to train models to recognize specific objects or defects within images, making it ideal for the scenario described. With Custom Vision, the automotive manufacturer can train a model to identify small defects in the components as they come off the assembly line, using high-resolution images for training. Next question. For each statement below, Select yes if the statement is correct. If not, please select no. Is it true that a voice service allows for the transformation of phone call audio into written text? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. A voice service, such as a speech to text service or a transcription service, is specifically designed to convert spoken words or audio content, such as phone call recordings, into written text. By using advanced speech recognition algorithms, these services can analyze audio input, identify spoken words, and accurately transcribe them into written text. This functionality is highly valuable in various applications, including call center analytics, voice enabled applications, transcription services, and more. Therefore, it is true that a voice service allows for the transformation of phone call audio into written text. Next question. What computer vision technique is recommended for identifying the numbers on the shirts of runners captured in race photographs? Option A, facial recognition. Option B, semantic segmentation. Option C, optical character recognition. Option D, object detection. The correct answer is option C, optical character recognition. OCR is a computer vision technique used to recognize printed or handwritten text within images or documents and convert it into machine-readable text. It works by detecting and interpreting characters in the image, which makes it highly suitable for identifying numbers on shirts in race photographs. Next question. Which computer vision API does the application utilize to scan images and promptly provide information on regions, lines for each region, and words for each line of text? Option A, NLP. Option B, Louise. Option C, OCR. Option D, text analytics. Option E, read. The correct answer is option C, OCR. This is the technology specifically designed to recognize text in images and convert it into machine-readable code. It extracts regions, lines, and words from the image, perfectly matching the application's requirements. OCR API is part of computer vision services that extract small amounts of text within an image. It is a synchronous service, specially designed to provide an immediate result. It returns regions on the image with text defined by bounding box coordinates. Lines of text in each region also with bounding box coordinates. Words in each line with bounding box coordinates. Next question. Which computer vision technique does the visual product search application on your mobile utilize to search for products using images captured via the mobile camera? Option A, image classification. Option B, face detection. Option C, semantic segmentation. Option D, image analysis. The correct answer is option A, image classification. Image classification involves categorizing an entire image into predefined classes or categories. In the context of the product search application, image classification would be used to classify the entire image as representing a particular product or category of products. For example, if you capture a picture of a pair of shoes, the image classification model would classify the image as containing shoes. This allows the application to narrow down the search to products within the identified category. Next question. Which term is used to describe solutions involving AI agents engaging in conversations with humans? Option A, conversational AI. Option B, machine learning. Option C, natural language processing. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A, conversational AI. Conversational AI refers to the technology that enables computers to simulate natural conversations with humans. It involves the use of artificial intelligence techniques, including natural language processing and machine learning, to understand and generate human language responses. Conversational AI focuses specifically on the conversational aspect of AI applications. Next question. What method will you use to combine language service API functions with natural language processing techniques to extract key information from support tickets? Option A. Sentiment analysis. Option B. Language detection. Option C. Key phrase extraction. Option D. Entity recognition. The correct answer is Option C. Key phrase extraction. Key phrase extraction involves identifying and extracting the most relevant or important phrases or terms from a piece of text. In the context of support tickets, key phrase extraction can help identify the main issues, topics, or concerns raised by customers. By extracting key phrases, the Language Service API can assist in categorizing and prioritizing support tickets based on their content, enabling faster resolution of customer inquiries. Next question. Could you outline the difference between prediction and forecasting? Option A. Prediction is always accurate while forecasting is not. Option B. Prediction is based on previous data, while forecasting is based on blind predictions. Option C. Prediction is used for determining repair costs, while forecasting is used for predicting stock prices. Option D. Prediction can be either based on blind predictions or data, while forecasting is always based on previous data. The correct answer is Option D. Prediction can be either based on blind predictions or data, while forecasting is always based on previous data. This statement correctly captures a key difference between prediction and forecasting. Prediction can indeed be based on various approaches, including intuitive guesses or data-driven analysis. In contrast, forecasting typically involves analyzing historical data, trends, and patterns to make projections about future events. Forecasting relies on the assumption that past trends will continue into the future, although this is not always the case. Next question. At the car dealership, your boss asks you to determine how many blue cars to order for the next quarter. You select an unsupervised machine learning approach. Will this choice help you achieve your target? Option A. No. Option B. Yes. The correct answer is Option A. No. Unsupervised machine learning approaches are typically used for tasks where the data is unlabeled and the goal is to discover patterns or structures within the data. These techniques are not suitable for predicting or estimating specific quantities, such as the number of blue cars to order for the next quarter. Unsupervised learning algorithms, such as clustering or dimensionality reduction, do not have a target variable to predict, making them inappropriate for this scenario. Thank you very much for watching. If these questions and answers add value to your preparation, please hit the like button and support us. Let's meet in the next video.